First heading डालो striated. देखिए, these muscles have alternate bands of dark and light color. These muscles have alternate bands of these muscles have alternate bands of light and dark color. Alternate bands of light and dark color. Light and dark color. Hence they are called striated muscles. Hence they are called striated muscles. Contraction is under control of our will. Its contraction is under the control of our will. Under the control of our will. So it is also known as voluntary muscles.
Under the control
of our will. So it is also known as voluntary muscles. Heading डालो location. Heading डालो location. Heading डालो location. These are present in the limb, face, neck and diaphragm. These are present in the limbs, face and diaphragm. Limbs, face and diaphragm. Limbs, face and diaphragm. Limbs, face and diaphragm. Heading डालो structure. Heading डालो structure. Striated muscle cells are long, cylindrical and unbranched. Long, cylindrical and unbranched. Each muscle cell is multinucleated. Each muscle cell is multinucleated. Multinucleated. Next heading डालो function. Heading डालो function. These are powerful. These are powerful These are powerful and undergo rapid contraction. Powerful and undergo rapid contraction. They are responsible for locomotion. They are responsible for locomotion. डायग्राम के लिए स्पेस छोड़ देंगे. डायग्राम के लिए स्पेस छोड़ देंगे. फाइव टू सिक्स लाइन. नेक्स्ट हेडिंग डालिए. नॉन स्ट्राइटेड और अनस्ट्रिप्ड नॉन स्ट्राइटेड और अनस्ट्रिप्ड मसल्स. Their myofibrils do not have dark and light band. Their contraction is not under the control of our will. Their contraction is not under the control of our will. Under the control of our will. Location. Muscles are found in the wall. Muscles are found in the wall. Muscles are found in the wall. हो गया बच्चों?
Yes, ma'am.
Muscles are found in the wall. In the wall of visceral organ. Wall of visceral organ.
Ma'am, wall of
Visceral organs such as alimentary canal. Wall of visceral organ, visceral. Visceral organ such as alimentary canal. Alimentary canal such as alimentary canal. Urinary bladder and blood vessels. Urinary bladder and blood vessels. Urinary bladder and blood vessels. Heading डालो. Structure. Fibers are spindle shaped. Fibers are spindle shaped. Spindle shaped. Fibers are spindle shaped. स्पिंडल की इधर स्पेलिंग लिखी हुई है. Fibers are spindle shaped. Uninucleate. Uninucleate and pointed at both ends. Uninucleate and pointed at both ends. And pointed at both ends. ठीक है बच्चों. They produce peristaltic movement. They produce peristaltic movement. Peristaltic movement. They produce peristaltic movement of alimentary canal. It helps in opening and closing of anal aperture. It helps in opening and closing of anus. Opening and closing of anus. ठीक है बेटा. 5 to 6 लाइन्स लेफ्ट करनी है फॉर डायग्राम. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम